How are you going to solve this functional equation given that you have f of 5x minus f of 4x equals 2x? Then what will be the value of f of x given that we have the following? Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, we have to introduce the general polynomial expression because we didn't know the degree of this f of x will be. So if we are to recall from f of x to be equals an x to the power of n plus an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1, then plus dot 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 till we have a naught. So from here, when we have f of 5x, this will be a n, then we have our x to be 5x. So here will be 5x to the power of n plus from here an minus 1. Then this will be 5x to the power of n minus 1. Dot 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 till we have a naught. Then from here, f of 4x, we have an. Then we have 4x to the power of n plus an minus 1 into 4x to the power of n minus 1 plus dot dot, we have a naught. Now from here, the reason why we have to introduce this general polynomial expression is because we have no idea of what will be the degree of this f of x that we are asked to find. So we have to introduce this. Now from here, we want to obtain f of 5x minus f of 4x that we say equals 2x. So from here, definitely we have to minus this from this, and this will now be an. When we have this, then we are going to have 5x to the power of n minus 4x in parentheses to the power of n. Then plus this an minus 1. So we are going to have this 5x to the power of n minus 1 minus 4x to the power of n minus 1. So plus dot dot till we have a naught. Then we are given this side to be equals to x. So let's have this as an. From here we have x, we have 5 to the power of n times x to the power of n minus 4 to the power of n times x to the power of n. Then this n minus 1, we have 5 to the power of n minus 1 times x to the power of n minus 1. So from here also, we have minus 4 to the power of n minus 1 times x to the power of n minus 1. Then plus dot 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 till we have a naught. X minus x to the power of n is common. X to the power of n minus 1 is common. So we can factor this out. Then it will now be from here an. This will be 5 to the power of n minus 4 to the power of n times x to the power of n. From here, an minus 1 times 5 to the power of n minus 1 minus 4 to the power of n minus 1. So times x to the power of n minus 1. Then we have this dot dot a naught, then everything equals this side 2x. So from here, we can write this expression as 2x equals an 5 to the power of n minus 4 to the power of n times x to the power of n plus a subscript n minus 1 5 to the power of n minus 1 minus 4 to the power of n minus 1 times x to the power of n minus 1 plus dot 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 a naught. Now we have to truncate this in respect to what we have at this left hand side, and the degree of this left hand side is 1. So this is degree 1, degree 2, and as it is going. So we have to truncate here because the degree of this one is 1, and we are expected to have this one to be degree 1 when n equals 1. So from here, when we truncate, we are going to have 2x equals an 5 to the power of n minus 4 to the power of n times x to the power of n. So such that n equals 1. So from here, we are going to have 2x equals a1. Then from here will be 5 to the power of 1 minus 4 to the power of 1, and x to the power of 1. So we have 2x equals a1. 5 to the power of 1 will be 5 minus 4 times x. We have 2x equals a1. This will be times 1 times x. And this will be 2x equals a1x. Dividing through by x, this will cancel out this, this will cancel out this. So we have a1 to be equals 2. So if a1 equals 2, this implies from general expression that we have f of x equals a1, then x to the power of a subscript n, and x to the power of n. This is degree 1. So when n equals 1, so we're going to have f of x a1, then x to the power of 1, then plus constants. So we have f of x to be equals a1 is 2x plus c. So this is the general expression for the problem given to us. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.